Question 5. The tuition fees for the first 3 years of high school are given in the table below. The tuition fees form a geometric sequence. Find the common ratio R for the sequence, and if fees continue to rise at the same rate, calculate to the nearest dollar the total cost of tuition fee for the first 6 years of high school. Total cost of the first 6 years. Pay attention to the wording they use. Part A, how do we find the common ratio? Now, if we are dealing with geometric sequence, it is okay to label them as U1, U2, U3. To find out the ratio, remember you use term 2 and divide it by term 1. So it's the current term divided by the previous term. That's how you can work backwards to find out the common ratio. It's the same here, U3 divided by U2. If we have more term values, we can repeat this process, and we should get a consistent answer. Let's see. So 2,500 divided by 2,000 is equal to 1.25. Or you can do 3,125 divided by 2,500. Again, you will get 1.25. So R is 1.25. Part B is not asking for the 6th term. Part B is not asking what is the tuition fee in the 6th year. It is asking the total cost of tuition fee. It is asking for S6, not U6. And since this is the sum of terms of geometric sequence, we need to use the correct formula. So let me go back to the formula page. Sum of n terms of a finite geometric sequence. Since your R is greater than 1, you should pick this one. The reason is then the denominator will stay positive. Because imagine that you have picked the second one, you should still get the same answer as long as you do the substitution correct. You will have the same result. So we have U1 R to the power of n minus 1 all over R minus 1. Sum of 6 terms. Term number 1 was 2,000. Common ratio is 1.25, 6 years. So 1.25 to the power of 6, and then take 1 away, all over 1.25, taking 1 away. You can go back to the calculator, use the GDC calculator, and use a calculator page to help you work it out. So press escape to get out from the financial app. You can use a fraction here to help you enter the calculation to the power of 6. Now make sure you move the cursor to the right one more time. It's not to the power of 6 minus 1. It's 1.25 to the power of 6, and then take 1 away. So make sure your take away 1 is not with the power. 22517 0.578. We need to round it to the nearest dollar. So therefore, the first 6 years will have a total of 22518. It's in dollars. So we can either write dollars or add the dollar sign back to the front. And that's the answer.